Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. I was doing just fine before I met you. Good morning, everybody. What's up, what's up, what's up? Hello, hello. What's up? What's up, Goldie? Single mom of 4 needs some advice on how to be patient. It just comes in with following your plan. It comes with following your plan every day. You're in the right place to learn. What's up, JB Hanks? Good morning, bro. Happy Monday. What's up, Artif? Always first. Shalak Patel, Jeff, Nati, Grani. What's up, Asia? What's up, Asia? What's up, David? Chris, Samuel, Eddie. Do I ever trade ES? Not a lot. On occasion, sure, but not a lot. Good luck today, big guy. Appreciate you, bro. Drivet, I appreciate that, man. You're up next. Getting this link out in Team Bowl. Live trading link is up. Which stock do you going to trade? Last time I didn't know the ticker. NASDAQ. Every day the NASDAQ. NQ. Dash NQ. What's up, Moon? What's up, Angelo? Devo, Vibra, Alex, Zach. Jassim. What is good, everybody? We got ourselves a beautiful day ahead. Got ourselves a beautiful day ahead. As a reminder, once again, this live stream is not financial advice. This live stream is simulated trading only and is meant for education and entertainment only. Let's get it. Don't. You like my fountain, Nana? Isn't that great? Got Grandma trading live in the office too, which means one thing and most likely one thing only, that we're going to get a nice short setup. It's got to mean that. Good morning. What's up, Oreo? What's up, Tom? There's this horse in the stables by my house I like that I call Oreo. My favorite horse's name is Boots. There is also a horse that I like, and I named him Oreo. Good morning. What's up, bro? Separate screen, Luis, but you'll know if I'm in. You'll know. What's up, Uncle Jay? What do I think about the 921 EMA and MACD? MACD, absolutely useless, in my opinion. 9 and 21 EMA can't have use. MACD is just so laggy. Maybe if you're swing trading or something, it's fine, but I personally wouldn't recommend it in good faith. Have you made any cash this week? It's Monday, sir. I'm ready to make some cash. I'm ready to make some big cash. I want some big cash. All right, Brandon, let's trade that today, bro. Just rock with me. All you gotta do is hit that follow button in the top left corner. Appreciate y'all hitting that follow. Means a lot. Just stamped it with a case. Jdun, I went hiking at Northern Green State Forest. At the top of the rock, it had Jdun on it. No way. That'd be crazy if that was actually legit. If you're telling the truth, that's crazy. The new fountain really adding some ASMR. Are we fans so far or nah? No one's complained about it yet. Just saying. We were on last night. I had a grip of views, grip of people here, and everyone seemed to vibe with it. Jdun, if trading didn't work out for you, what would you see yourself doing as a career? Probably real estate or something else in the realm of entrepreneurship. That's crazy, Vibra. That's awesome. I'm glad to hear and for a winner today. We're gonna do our best. I don't say that I win every single trade, but I say we win most trades. Not every trade. A lot of trades. We also have coffee on the way. We have coffee on the way. Yes, yes, yes. Got a morning face. I don't even have no morning hair to have. I don't have hair to have morning hair. Yeah, like an inch of hair. Barely. Buenos dias. Hey, we got a good day of soccer ahead, too. Or a football for the Europeans. Got a great day of soccer ahead. I'll tell you guys who's winning right now. You guys know I'm nice with the soccer picks. Brazil and Japan. That's a pretty easy dub for Brazil. Not easy, but it's gonna happen. We got Germany and Paraguay. Gotta take the Germans there. Germany's gonna take that one. We have the Netherlands and Morocco. I think that the Netherlands. I think we got the Netherlands for their World Cup win for their first game. No, I don't think Japan gets it done. I'd be very shocked. USA plays Wednesday. Tomorrow we have Norway and Cote d'Ivoire, which obviously Norway's taking the dub. France and Sweden, France. Then Mexico, Ecuador, we got Mexico. We got Mexico for Mexico, Ecuador. Don't sleep on Ecuador. I don't think it'll be easy, but I think Mexico does get the dub. And honestly, I hope they do. All right. What do I think about ICT? I think that for the most part, it's overcomplicated. We got a good trading week ahead, everybody. Good trading week ahead. We also, as far as our data, so you guys are aware, we have no data today. It is a no news Monday. No news Monday. Tuesday we have consumer confidence and jolts, also PMI. Wednesday we have Fed speaker at market open, or Fed chairman Kevin Warsh, not Fed speaker, Fed chairman at market open. Then some data at 10. And then Thursday, we have non-farm payroll, NFP, employment report. Yep. So we'll see. We'll see how the week ends up playing out for us. I'm very optimistic. Let's get out of this town. Yep. Thursday's data will move the market. Absolutely, it will. Non-farm payroll always does. NFP's mover. It's the second best day to pass evals with the eval strategy behind CPI. Short here, nah. I mean, I guess I could see why you're asking that, but for me, no. For me, no. Eval strategy is you put limit orders above and below about 30 seconds before news drops. It fills it, and then you take your profit on either the upside or downside after 30 points. Gene is not going to attend today. Gene is sick, or he's playing hooky. Now, he said his mom has strep throat, and he woke up and his throat was on fire. Can I drive the Porsche? Sure. Come on over. Sure. Come tap in. What's up, Team Bull? Good morning, everybody. What's up, Threeler? What's up, Yan? How we all doing? No News Monday. If I usually use 1 minute to trade, what do you recommend I downsize to for a no news Monday? I mean, it's more so about the setup quality, not about No News Monday. But that being said, sometimes on No News Mondays, we get a lack of trend or a lack of movement. Face shows you are losing, huh? It's not even 7 a.m. Mountain Time on Monday, bro. We're about 45 minutes Not gonna lie, most professional traders ain't helping like you, bro. I appreciate that, man. I do my best to come on and help every single day. I'm doing it for a lot of years, and comments like that make it all worth it. I appreciate you, bro. My hike Friday was amazing. We caught a winner here. Oh, whoops. Caught a winning trade and then went for a nice hike. It was great. As a reminder to the algorithm and everybody, this live stream is not financial advice. This live stream is simulated trading only. Everything I say is for education and entertainment. Let's get it. How's Micron? It's great. I'm holding my other 24 shares. My 24,000 plus worth of it. I already sold half of it though. It's at 1128. About 1,500%. The pooch is good. He actually has a second round of cancer treatment today if he needs it. What does DOD mean? Discipline over dopamine. Working every day to cut out cheap garbage dopamine. Yo, I seen some crazy stats about how much Americans spent on gambling last year. Americans bet twice as much on sports last year as Amazon earned in net income. How crazy is that? Hey, chat. Someone asked, hey, guys, has Jdun helped you in your trading? If you're in the TikTok chat and I've helped you in your trading, or I guess in the YouTube chat, sure, both. Type yes if I've helped you in your trading. If I've helped you make money, if I've helped you in your trading. Lots of yeses. Let's go. That is, Ryan, that's crazy. Small world, bro. Small world. Soon, TSYNA. I love the profile picture as always. Go Big Red. Let's get it, y'all. I'll be so hot in Romania. Never been to Romania. As a reminder, guys, this is a holiday week coming into July. So, that being said, trade smart, trade safe, and remember that sometimes we get choppier action. Hi from Latvia. Hello, Armand. I like Latvia. Yep. As a reminder, guys, the market closes early on Friday for futures. I will not be trading. I will be deep back in the land of Kool-Aid creation. Which, if you didn't know, is Nebraska. What's up, Prammy? Good morning, bro. Brazil or Japan? Brazil. Brazil's going to win. Is what it is. I don't make the rules. You got it. Kwaski, muted. DOD, let's make some money. That's right. What's up, Big Zo? My weekend was great, bro. Hit that trade Friday, then went on a hike, relaxed, watched soccer. Just vibed. How about you, bro? Hung out with the fam. I don't use a trade copier. I trade in Tradeovate if I'm trading fundeds, and I only trade one firm at a time. I don't personally like trade copiers. I'm not saying that they're the worst thing in the world, but just not my deal. Let's go, Prammy. I appreciate you, bro. Took the kids out, relaxing. Nice. That sounds great. Came back to ready to hit a Zorb. Ready to rip 100-point Zorb. Yep, we got 25 minutes. 25 minutes till open. We'll start going over our game plan for the week in about 10 minutes. We went through it yesterday on the live for our Sunday watch list, but we'll go over it again. You can trade NASDAQ before the market opens, but I typically don't. Just keeping it a buck. It's not really my deal. Oh, God, knocked me aggressively. Coffee's here. Hello. What is it? Some diapers for the baby. What's good, y'all? I get my coffee out. Jean the Bean is homesick today, so I had to order coffee. It's freaking hot, too. Do I answer DMs? I don't really DM just to keep you guys safe. Because there's lots of fake me's that will DM you and pretend to be me and try to scam you. So for your safety, I typically do not answer DMs. Best place to DM me or talk to me is in the Discord. If you at me in the live trading chat, I can usually see your message. Hold on, I gotta get grandma a coffee. Get a cup. Very, very hot. All right, what's good, y'all? Pay done is activated, baby. That is 100% correct. Well, about to be activated. This coffee's very hot, but one more thing I got to get. Whoops. Coffee in the cup. Had to get Grandma right with her coffee. You guys had homework from yesterday. You guys had homework yesterday. Did you guys do it? Hope you guys did your homework. I told you guys that I needed you to identify one thing, one variable about your trading that you would improve today. The first day of the week. It could be tilt trading, it could be no revenge trading, it could be using consistent position sizing, it could be not going on tilt, it could be no boredom trading, it could be max of 2 trades a day, it could be 2 losses a day, it could be setting a maximum loss limit and following it. Whatever it is, I need one promise for you guys. That's it. Set your plan in place and follow it. All right, Poppy, that's one way to do things. Knowing when to cut loss, that's a great one. Cutting your losses as you planned is great. Don't chase the money. Do I trade options on NQ? No, we trade futures. Hey, yeah, you guys, can you guys hear my new water fountain? I like it. I think it's a vibe. No one's complained about it yet. No one's complained about it yet, so I'm sure that'll be someone. Anytime now. What's up, Grizzly Glock? You here? It's relaxing. Some of y'all need that too. I need y'all to be relaxed more than anything. Yeah, you can trade options, but no, we trade futures. What kind of sizing should I use max on a 50K flex account on Lucid? It depends on how you are as a trader, right? I don't want to tell you to go extremely aggressive when you suck and you can't do anything, when you have no strategy. If you know what you're doing, I don't think there's a point in wasting a month on an eval. I'd rather you be a bit more aggressive and get it past 2 or 3 times as fast and save your time. It is Metallica. I love Metallica. I love Metallica, man. I love me some Metallica. One of the best shows I've ever seen in my life, man. Had Limp Bizkit there too. Found my home, yes sir. We got the all the rock and metal. Appreciate y'all being here, everybody. Good morning. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Hopefully you guys all got a good night of sleep. We are ready to come in and trade smart, trade safe, stay focused, and choose discipline over dopamine. Give the most random question. All right, let's hear it. Yep. As a reminder, guys, it is a short week in the stock market. What's up, Grizzly Glock? I was just about to warn people about the potential choppiness of a short week in the stock market. Yep. Yeah, and like a lot of fund managers and such are out on vacation for 4th of July, leave early, so good. Yeah, out in the yachts in the Hamptons. So just be aware. How was your weekend? All the best fund managers are out on their yachts. They're headed to the Hamptons, or they're heading to Nebraska early. Yeah, that's where one of them's going. I don't remember his name, but one of them. You like my dad joke? My jokes are just declining with age. I guess that's how it goes. But yeah, no, I had a great weekend, bro. That hike was great. GD did a great job. I was proud of him. Of course. Yeah. He complained much less than Brandon. I mean, GD didn't complain at all. And GD killed it. Brandon did not get lost this time. I was surprised. Yep. Take in my hand. We got 15 minutes left. As I was saying earlier, guys, in terms of our data, just so you guys are aware, we have no news Monday today. We have no news. And then for Tuesday, we have job openings and consumer confidence at 10. We also have PMI. Nickelback's on. That means it's going to be a great day. Nickelback. PMI at 9:45. We have on Wednesday, we have consumer spending, ISM manufacturing, and PMI again, 9:45 and 10. And then we have NFP, non-farm payroll, on Thursday. Non-farm payroll on Thursday. So, Yeah. Goodness. And no Gene today. The Burrito Bandit is MIA. He is not going to be here. Bro, that freaking elk or moose, whatever it was, charging me was insane. That was literally insane. You see that video, Grizzly? Bro, literally charged me. Bro, literally charged. It's like, damn. What did I do? That moose absolutely mogged me. I'm still recovering from it.
Bro. Oh, bro. Oh, my God. Well, that moose about charged us.
Yeah, where is
What
it?
the fuck?
Where'd my,
What the fuck? Oh.
Yeah, so wait. So
Let's go.
I'm going to post it in chat.
Holy shit, we just got charged by a moose.
We had to run
We just got charged by a
after.
fucking moose.
But if you watch
Jog.
the video, you'll see.
Jog.
I go around the corner.
Bro, it was
And it looks at me. Yeah,
Oh.
elk, whatever. I didn't know. I saw a big brown thing with horns
bro, it was
looking at me. Look at, so I see it, and it freaking starts stomping. Boom! It starts
about
chasing
charged
me.
us. What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh. Let's go.
Crazy.
Holy shit, we just got charged by a
Literally insane. I'm gonna post it in the live trading chat right now. If you guys didn't see that on my IG, I got honestly brutally frame mogged. I mean, incredibly. It was insane. I'm like, GD, look at this cool. I thought it was a moose at first. I'm like, look at this cool moose. Nah, bro was not cool that we were on his trail at all. Even a little. Bro said, nope. Bro said, get off my trail, buddy. So you can see, I seen him come around the corner. So I start videoing. I'm like, oh, this is cool. Bro starts stomps his back feet, starts sprinting at me. And then runs off to the side, and we start sprinting away. I'm like, oh no, nope, not. Today will not be the day that I get mauled by an elk or moose or freaking big, whatever it is. Not the day. Not today, champ. Yeah, the elk said no pictures today. No paparazzi. I was saying jog now. Oh, it's terrible. Yeah, no, I think that was why he got all mad. It's because I'm 6'7". He probably sees this big freaking dude. just decided like I will not be mogged in my own mountain. Just absolutely has me running, sprinting away. We saw some cool animals on that hike. I mean, that one wasn't very nice, but we saw a big freaking. We saw a big freaking elk too, and nope, no news Monday, so yep, no news Monday, so same patient. We saw this. Look at this baby moose we saw in its mom. Low key though, baby moose is kind of ugly. I mean, it's like I don't know. Yeah, look at the second one. I just posted a live trading chat. No, live trading chat. My baby moose is low key kind of ugly. It looks like I don't even know. It's like cute, but like not that cute. The first one is an elk. The second one's a moose. Look at its mouse. Yes. I saw a baby moose out on the hike, bro. Yeah, crazy. Oh yeah, no, they're mean, bro. Yup, yeah, they don't play around. Yeah, it was just a little baby moose and its mom just chilling. They're just vibing. They're like probably 40 feet away. I've been elk hunting in CL for the past 5 years, and I'm more scared of a moose than I'm a bear. Bro, moose do not play. I'm telling you. Yeah, they don't play, bro. They don't play at all. All right, guys, we got about 3 minutes left till open. It is no news Monday, so I will personally be taking things very slow this morning. I'm trading smart, trading safe, choosing DOD. Where again, as a reminder, we are day traders, not take every trade traders, and not trade everyday traders. It's not Pokemon. You don't have to catch them all. Our job is to find one good trade a day or stay patient until it comes. Yep. If you're, as a member here, Caleb, you'll be allowed to come. Just make sure we're doing it that week. We'd love to have you, bro. Yep. We got about 2 minutes till open, everybody. Remember the homework I gave you? Improve on one thing this week. Think back to yourself. What's been your main struggle as a trader? Why are you not profitable? Why have you lost more money than you would have cared to? Why have you not kept the money that you made? Is it patience? Is it over trading? Is it boredom trading? Is it oversizing? Is it revenge trading? Is it tilt trading? Is it lack of confirmations? Whatever it is, make it a point to improve one of those things this week. I don't want you to try to fix the world today, but I want you to improve on one thing. That's all I'm asking. Like Gary Keller says in one of my favorite books, the one thing, improve on one thing every day. That's it. Get it done. Focus on one thing and do it well. Focus on one thing and do it extremely well. All right, Team Bull, let's get it. Let's go. You see an elk. Yeah, if you see an elk, you got to run. Stop over trading. Nice. Very nice, very nice. Let's go. Market's opening in 40 seconds, everyone. Trade smart, trade safe. Let's dial in. I appreciate y'all being here. And let's get it, y'all. As a reminder, if you're on the TikTok, I appreciate you guys being here, hitting that like. If you guys get this to 110,000 likes, you guys win free accounts. You guys win free stuff. If you're on YouTube, I appreciate you guys hitting that subscribe, hitting that bell icon, and pressing all that will turn your notifications on. I will be live for 3 sessions today. I'll be live for New York, Asia, and Power Hours. If you want to get notified when I go live, make sure you subscribe and press that notification icon, the bell, and press all. I trade 3 times a day. As a reminder, folks, our weekly schedule is up as well. So for today, Monday, I'm on for New York. Obviously, we're here. I'll also be live for Power Hour, and I'll be live for Asia. Tuesday, tomorrow we'll be live for New... Sorry, what? Oh. Yep, Tuesday. Let's go. Same thing, New York, Power Hour, Asia a little later. Wednesday, New York, and then Asia. No Power Hour on Wednesday. Thursday, all 3 sessions. Then Friday, I will not be around. You got anything specifically on watch, Grizzly Glock? I don't got anything. How much money have you made? Not enough, bro. That's why we're out here grinding. I'm still hungry. Heavy selling. We'll see. Yeah, we'll see how it ends up playing out. It's a short week, so again, we've been on a heater. Sorry, were you saying something? That's been the theme lately. You got this good bounce level and watching it hits it 1 minute into open on a 200-point candle. Yeah, no. Feel that. I know, wake up! Where's everyone checking in from this fine Monday? Where are y'all trading from? Colorado. Tennessee. I spent my 33rd birthday there. Went out to Nashville. I love me some Tennessee. Yep. I went no, my 33rd birthday, not my 30th. I'm 38 now. Littleton, Gatlinburg, Italy, Buckeye, O Nation, boo, Ohio, Singapore, Loveland, Colorado. That's awesome. Loveland, Colorado. I used to be up there all the time. There in like Fort Collins. Nice, everybody. We got the whole world in here. The Netherlands, Mississippi, Iowa. I think the Netherlands win their game tomorrow. The Netherlands versus Morocco. We had a great time in Nashville. No, today we have for our FIFA. And by the way, if you're new here, I don't trade for the first 15 minutes usually. This is the time we let the market settle. So we're just staying patient and waiting. So we're talking about some other things. That's why. We got Brazil and Japan. Easy dub for Brazil. Germany and Paraguay. Likely a dub for Germany. I wouldn't say easy, but I think they get the dub. Oh, and then we got the Netherlands today. We have Netherlands winning versus Morocco today. Then tomorrow I got to root for Norway. Love some Erling Haaland. Dude's an absolute beast. France, Sweden, France, and of course we're going for Mexico tomorrow, baby. Gene took off work. He was tasked with one thing today. Because Gene not only is he my in-person mentee, but he's also my in-person assistant too. I was like, you need to find me a Mexico soccer jersey. That's your work task for the day. I need a Mexico jersey for stream tomorrow. And then a US jersey for Wednesday. Have you guys seen that freaking stadium in Monterrey? Their soccer stadium is bananas. You guys haven't seen that? Check that out. The Monterrey soccer stadium is bananas. Just crazy. It's freaking bananas. It's on my list to visit Mexico City and Monterrey in the next year. You know Gene's down. Don't have to ask him twice. Yeah, so we're trading the NASDAQ, everyone. I'm just staying patient. We're at an interesting level right now. We're right at this pivot, point of control, and pre-market high. So I'm very interested to see how it closes here. That said, I don't usually trade the first 15 minutes. I find the first 15 minutes to be very choppy, and I find myself having more stress and bigger losses that outweigh the wins I get. That's why I don't trade it. I'm not saying that it can't be good for you. I'm just saying that for me, and in my data for the last 10 years, I don't trade it well. So if I don't trade it well, I'm not going to trade it. That's how I look at it. As a reminder, I appreciate you guys being here. If you guys are trading futures, I appreciate you using code Jdun on any of the firms you're trading with. My ultimate goal is to turn you into a liability for these firms. We have some great accounts right now. We got Apex at 90% off. I like the Trade of 850K end of day drawdown accounts. My favorite account right now, my two favorite accounts are still probably with Lucid or with the Funded Futures family. I love the 50K Premier for beginners. It's a great account. Whenever beginners ask for a first account they should buy, I typically give them that account these days because there's no consistency, there's no activation fee, just overall solid account. Activation fee. All right, guys, let's see what we can get. Let's see what we can get, everybody. As a reminder to the TikTok, I am live on YouTube, the Tube as well. Jdun Trades. Jdun Trades, you get full screen share. Yep, so we're rejecting off this point of control. This is why I don't take the breakouts, guys. This right here. A lot of times in the past, I'd say, oh, we're breaking above pre-market high. We're breaking above point of control. We're breaking above this level. I don't want to miss this move. I'm going to try the breakout, and it just gets destroyed. Or vice versa. This time if you took the shorts at this level, it would have worked, sure. But on the times it does break out, you get slaughtered. I personally don't like getting slaughtered in the first 15 minutes. Maybe that's something you're into. I would recommend reevaluating if it is. I like to come into the day with my mind sharp, let things develop a little bit, and stay patient, stay systematic. Got some One by Metallica. I also got my new water fountain. I don't know if you guys can hear it or not, but it's a vibe. I like it a lot. If you guys can hear it, I love it. What's my strategy for point of control? I don't really have a strategy for it. I mostly just use it for confirmation. That's how I use all my Q levels. I don't have a strategy where it's like, oh, when we hit the VWAP we buy or we sell, vice versa. I mostly use them for confirmation. I care about confirmation on my trades. My trading strategy, I tell you guys this all the time. If you're new here, you'll understand. Or you won't understand. If you aren't new here, you'll have heard it a million times. But my trading strategy is boring. I mean, I try my best to not be boring. We have fun, we like to have a good time. But my trading in of itself is very boring. But I'd rather have a boring strategy during the day and then have money to spend for making money trading in my normal life than have fun right here and rattle off a million trades and go crazy with it and then, stay an unprofitable trader and have no money to spend. That's the choice you have to make. I'd prefer to have money in my daily life and have boring trading. And that's where DOD comes in. And a lot of that starts with you guys just making a promise to yourself and keeping it. I promise myself I'm going to manage my risk. I promise myself I'm going to respect this funded account. I promise myself I'm not going to go on tilt. I promise myself I'm only going to use 5 micros. You make a promise to yourself that will better your trading, and then you stick with it. That's the key. When I'm itching to trade, I just paper trade. Honestly, I'd rather have you do that than break your rules. Now, as your mentor, I would rather have you be able to itch and say, you know what, I know I'm itching for a trade. I know that I really want to take something really bad, or I know I want to take something soon, but I have the discipline to wait and stay patient. That's where I ultimately want you to be. But I understand wanting to get that itch out and hit a paper trade. I'd rather have you do that than the latter of putting it on real risk and burning yourself. That said, I want you to develop the discipline to follow your rules every day. So that's why I try to come on every morning and help you guys with that. Jdun, best mindset in the business. Love from Arizona. Love, bro. Go take some eggs and crack them on that asphalt of yours. I think Arizona is just a beautiful place in general, but I just got to be honest. I don't know how you deal with 100 degrees plus. Like, if I wake up, it's 6 a.m. and it's 100 degrees, I'm just gonna be mad, bro. Like, I'm just gonna be in a bad mood, bro. If I walk outside at noon and it's 110 degrees, I'm walking right back inside. There'd be no choice but to learn how to day trade because I wouldn't want to leave my house. Makes sense. You're here. Now I really got to find you a winner. I'm in AZ North. Nice. So it's a little colder, huh? It's interesting. I seen someone message me that they've been tracking all of my trades, which is awesome. I recommend anyone who wants to learn from me do that. I always tell people, like, hey, you want to learn from me? Just go look at my backlog of trades. You make your decision. That said, someone was saying that 60% of my trades end up going 100 plus points. I know you like to trim and secure profits, but you might find it interesting. A lot of your trades go for 100 plus points. I was like, damn, that's good data. I need to start holding these winners longer. I'm cool with my 1.5, like 1.2, 1.5, 2R though. Lakewood, Colorado. I'm right near you. I'm about 20 minutes away. About 20 minutes away from you, champ. Hi, your video popped up in my feed this morning about day trading. I'm such a noob. Well, you're in a great place to learn. Welcome in. It's not easy, but it is possible. All right, guys, our 15-minute range is in. I wish we would have had higher volume on that candle. Our 15-minute range is in. As a reminder for everybody, I appreciate y'all being here. If you're on TikTok, hitting that follow button. As a reminder, this live stream is not financial advice. Everything we say here is for fun and education and entertainment. If you're on YouTube, the tube, I appreciate you guys hitting subscribe, hitting the bell icon, and pressing all. I will be live trading for Power Hour and for Asia session tonight as well. I trade 3 times a day. All the different chances for us to catch bangers together. Let's see what we can get here, guys. I'm going to type up my scenarios in just a moment as well. I'm going to get my scenarios all posted up and locked and loaded for you guys. Shout out Jdun for engraving discipline over dopamine into my mind. First max payout today. Let's go. Shout out C-Note. Shout out C-Note. Congratulations, bro. I have not taken a trade yet, no. No trades. Let's see here. All right, so scenario 1, we have a short week ahead with 4th of July. So more than likely risk off most of the week. We are currently strong above pre-market high with and stacked against our 15-minute high. I'd love to see a 5-minute close above these levels with rising volume and buy the retest for long. I don't have any short setups or rejects on watch. Watch until price confirms. Going to stay ultra patient unless we see a traditional orb break low. No news Monday. Staying DOD. All right, we're getting good volume here. We're getting good volume here. We might actually see a long entry if we close strong. We got about 30 seconds left. So you guys see this candle here? I'd like to see us. This is not what I'd like to see. Do the opposite of this. Go up and close strong up here at like 820. I'd watch for like 770, like in the middle of this range pullback. We do have Grandma in the office with us today as well. So far, the market's moving up. Grandma, what do you think? Do we trend up or do we got reversal coming in for shorts? Grandma says shorts too. Grandma. The candle actually looks decent for reverse orb. If we popped up to like 795, I might try it too. Grandma likes the shorts too, Grizzly. See, I think you're in good shape. Oh my gosh, I guess no short entry. Nice management on that. You would have saved yourself from slaughter. You want to come over here? No. That's it. I'm gonna sit right here. You can watch what I do. I'll mentor you for the morning. Helping Grandma make $2,000 a day trading. Next series. Here. If you want to use this, you can. Yep. These candles are violent. We'll see. I'm gonna use the bathroom quick. You want to scoot over and hide everyone? Want to be me for a second? All right. Let me scoot right into the frame. Use your chair and scoot over. All right. New trader in. Tell everyone hi.
Hi.
Find them the trade.
Hi, everybody. Not yet.
What?
Not yet.
No trade if you like? Oh, whoops. All right. Grandma full ported my account. Dang. Grandma wants to put on some size. You watching the live stream there? That's funny. Am I trading the NASDAQ or yes today? I'm trading the NASDAQ. Let's see. See, if we would have had higher volume here, I would have almost 100% watched for reject right here for shorts. Yeah, that's tough. I wouldn't mind like an 800 reject with stops at like 840. That's actually a prime setup. We just don't really have a lot of volume. Damn. Nothing I like yet, Nana. You neither? Never doubting grandma ever again. I mean, her bias is rarely wrong. When she says shorts, typically market will end up going short. She's got a good track record, for sure. She's got a... What? Yeah, usually at least gets a trim off. All right, so something we can watch here. If we get a nice big BBC right here, big body candle, we want to see this close down here, retest about half of the BBC, the big body candle, and then continuation down. Does that sound good? Sounds good. Let's see what we can. I think we can we can catch a really nice trade off that if we get that big body candle. Let's see what we can get with these candles. Oh, y'all crack me up. Oh my gosh, look at that, Grizzly. Don't look. Let's get it, y'all. Let's see what we can get on this candle. We might get a read if we get this strong big body candle close down here with rising volume. I'll watch for retest up for shorts. Maybe like VWAP and Asia high. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Let's see what they give us today. My goal is to find you guys one winning trade. All it takes every day. One winning trade keeps a lot of life's problems away. Doesn't it, Nana? Yep. I was not long a second ago. I wasn't long at all. I haven't taken a single trade today. What do you mean? I was watching for the longs if we got a candle closure up here in solid volume, but we never got it. So you said shorts up here. Look where it's at now. Down, way down. In this farewell. Not seeing a lot on a book map yet either. What an absolutely filthy rejection. We're about to... No, we won't have a new point of control. Gotta start hitting them think... I'm telling you, the Jdun think indicator, minus or added with the grandma bias, legendary. I was thinking maybe like Asia high for reject. It's a little higher risk. Yeah. To like 700 stop. or entry, a 700 entry, excuse me. All right, guys. Let's see if we can get a move back to Asia high to previous day high / VWAP for a short entry. Or actually, correction, that's not VWAP. That's a. I don't know why I still have that on there. That's an EMA. We're below VWAP. Excuse me. There we go. Look at that freaking trade. Patience, 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 everybody. Patience, 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 patience. Just relax. How can I study Forex? Not with me. I don't do Forex. The first course I ever bought for trading when I was 20 years old actually was Forex. But I think Forex, I don't throw around the word scam lightly, but I think a lot of it is, for the most part, a scam. Yeah. He did, I think. As a reminder, guys, we are 30 minutes in. This is your reminder to choose DOD, discipline over dopamine. Trade smart, trade safe, stay patient, and remember to follow your rules today, everybody. I remind you guys of this multiple times a stream. I like to make a point of our streams keeping you guys disciplined. I want you guys to keep the money that you make. And when you follow your rules and you come in focused every day, that's what happens. The reason most of retail blows up is because they can't follow their rules. Cleveland Cavaliers, James Harden is declining his $42 million player option for 2026-2027 and working through a new multi-year deal. I'm sorry, Cleveland fans. I guess the playoff Harden curse continues. Sorry, guys. Sorry to all my Cleveland folks in here. My greatest condolences. The Harden curse is nowhere near ending for y'all in the playoffs. I'm a Nuggets fan though. We're cooked by the Spurs for the next like 10 years, so I gotta talk my tea when I gotta talk my tea when I can. I don't think we're going to get higher volume. Actually, there is a chance we get higher volume on this. There's a decent chance. I didn't realize we still had a minute 15 left on this candle. As a reminder, I appreciate y'all being here. If you're new on the TikTok, I appreciate you hitting that follow button in the top left corner. It's 100% free to hit that follow button. And I help beginners, intermediate, and advanced traders learn how to trade with confidence with no get-rich-quick BS, but with a simple strategy, trading smart, safe, and focused. So if you're looking to learn and do this yourself and build a lifelong skill, hit that follow button. I do my best to teach you guys every day and keep the stream positive and focused every single morning. If you're on YouTube, I appreciate you guys hitting that subscribe and also pressing that bell icon and pressing all. I appreciate you guys all being here. I will be live for Power Hour, which is 3 p.m. Eastern Time, and for Asia session tonight as well. Most days I trade 3 sessions a day now. Pat Riley cooking on the planning boards. We might get an orb set up here, guys. It's a little riskier, but it's also no news Monday. So no rising volume. No rising volume. We did get a orb set up there. We're below the 15-minute low. But it's unfortunate that we did not get our volume there. That's unfortunate. Do I think it looks terrible? No, but do I think it looks A+? We can maybe watch like 590, I guess, for shorts. Stops above like 630, but we don't have the volume, so it automatically makes that a bit higher risk. Automatically off the rip makes it a little higher risk. Every single day you don't get that volume confirmation. Scenario. Nope, we touched the orb low, but there's way too much risk to the upside. And even like, let's say I did want to put on that extra risk. Say I was like, you know what, I want to try this 15-minute low at 555, and I'm going to put on the risk. Well, if I was going to put on 560 to 5 or 640 risk, like 80 points of risk, we'd at least need aggressive volume. Like it would have to look like a really good setup. Now, chat, if we do get an aggressive move to the downside here with this candle and rising volume, what can we look for? You guys get to say it now. This is your chance. What do we get to look for? Your guys' favorite. Don't call it a 2-bar. Don't call it a 2-bar. Don't call it a 2-bar. But we're going to have to see some aggressive push down and also aggressive volume. Volume's looking like it's going to be close. I'm not sure we're going to get higher, but it will be close. We have as of now 2 minutes left in this candle. As of now, we have 2 minutes left in this candle. The 2-bar. The strategy that the setup, not strategy, that turns heads and gets the whole crowd ignited. One of what I thought to be the simplest setup to other that turned to be the most controversial, confusing setup in the world. You said shorts up here with the market. It's free fall. Not a nose. All right, guys, we have 1 more minute on this candle. Doesn't look like we're going to get that high. As a reminder, guys, it's No News Monday. We're staying patient, trading smart, trading safe, and choosing DOD. We're in no rush. We're in no rush. If you guys are new here, appreciate you tapping in, joining me every day. The best place to be, I always say, is inside Team Bull Premium. When there's no lag or delay, you get access to the Zoom link. If your name's purple and you can hear me on Zoom, you're in the best place to be. For the cost of less than a cup of coffee a day, you get access to a real-time, real alert stream and all the value of being inside premium. No Jared Tendler this week, but we will have Jared Tendler back. Ooh, we're going to have higher volume. Oh, no, but it's going to wake up. Damn, guys. $100-point candle. Just below 50% of that is wick. Technically speaking, it could be valid for a 2-bar, but I don't like when we open up. Literally, I tell you guys this all the time. I hate when we open up right at that 50% retracement. If we would have had a close down here, like if we had a full BBC down here, big body candle down here, and we moved up, I would have tried that short. But closing right here, it's just too risky. And of course, look at that. Just dies. Oh, that sucks. That is painful, guys. The 2-bar in of itself worked. Like if you take the low to the high, or the high to the low, excuse me, retest into this area and move down, but we just opened literally right at it. Literally to a T right at it. How frustrating is that? No entry. So that's typically what you want to see. For what it's worth, that's what you want to see. The idea of it worked out great, but it just closed way too close. If we would have had it close down here, that's the prime scenario where you guys will see me come, retest up, try the shorts in here, and then move down. So now the question is, a lot of people have is, well, can I try it on the retest? And the answer typically is no. Typically, you don't want to try it on the retest. Yes, we could, but typically not the highest probability setup doing that. It does work, though. You guys see it work in real time. Yeah, that's frustrating for sure. I mean, there's no FOMO. I mean, regardless, there should never be FOMO whenever you're trading with me. Because what do I always tell you guys? If you miss a setup, if you miss a setup that is A+ and good, what do I always tell you? If it's an A+ high probability setup, it's going to come again. I tell you guys this every day because I think it's an important reminder. If you miss a setup that you're like, oh my gosh, I have FOMO, I got to go revenge trade, got to get it back. Well, you should take a second and breathe and think. If it truly is an A+ high probability setup, it's going to come again and again and again. There's no need to have FOMO. If it never comes again and you missed it for the one and only time, it wasn't a good setup in the first place. We might have higher volume on this candle too. We still got a minute 20 left on this candle. Hate to see it, but love knowing it'll come again. That's what people always come in and they say, oh, Jdun, you missed this, this, and this. I'm like, I didn't miss anything. I stay patient, trade smart, and trade safe. And when I see an A+ setup, I take it. I don't have to trade every session. For the most part, we usually get at least one trade during New York. But if I don't get a trade, that's fine. We might get another 2-bar here, guys. You guys, it might be Christmas came early. 2 2-bars in a row? Bring me to life, some evanescence. We're getting 4 BBCs in a row, 4 big body candles in a row. That is a lot of big body candles. All right, guys, we have confirmed the 2-bar with this aggressive candle here. We'll see if we get a pop back up to like 450. I have to have about 60 points of risk. That's a little riskier, but I will watch it. I will watch it. I'd rather us pop up first instead of seeing an aggressive move down first. If you end up taking the longs, Grizzly, have at it. Damn, we're going through Asia low first. You have FOMO? Why? What do you have FOMO? You trying the long, Grizzly? If you did, it literally worked out to a freaking T. I don't love that we went and swept Asia low, and now we're going to move back. If we get this move up to 450 in this candle, it's going to be aggressive green. We are less than 2 minutes into this candle, and we're going to have higher volume. QQQ. Huh. Damn, 400 touch, but nowhere near my 450. That's not what we want to see. This candle is going to be higher volume for sure. Like 100% it's going to be higher volume. Yup. Woo. Whoop. Hoff, LARP. I'm the LARP god. I'm the warp god. I'm the winning LARPer. I just give you guys winners almost every day. I know. Do I have a job? Yep, you're looking at it. And I'm pretty damn good at it if you ask around. I just rip at NASDAQ for a living. Jdun, thank you for helping me choose DOD every day. Secured $300 and locked out 2-bar for the win. Let's go. Yep. High volume reversal. Could be it. You know, I would say if you don't have haters, you're not doing something right. That means we're moving. I mean, people can hate, but we come on and preach good habits every day, find winning trades, encourage people to trade smart, trade safe, choose discipline over dopamine, live a disciplined life. I mean, if you're going to hate on that, I don't know what else you can do. There's so much to learn here. So much to learn. This could be a setup where we look for a high volume reversal. At like 315, stops at like 270. Yep. Let's see here. I'm watching. I'd like to see 320 area, 320 to 330. I'm 4X. Hey, I'm Jacob. Nice to meet you, bro. Well, this is what I was watching for the initial 2-bar retracement, but we already had this aggressive 5-minute reversal candle, so this makes me a little risky to take this. It just makes it less probability, so higher risk. Invalidate completely? No, but less likely. Yes. I'd rather see us, if we could go back, retest up this first candle, then move down. I don't like shorting a high volume 5-minute reversal candle. 15-minute chart at rising volume too. Maybe like 500. We'll see. We'll see how we react down there. I don't love that we pushed up first, but it's still good. I'll watch for like 320 area. What's the low here? 270. Low is 270, so potentially worth trying. That said, just gotta stay patient and see. Yeah, if we'd gotten like 450, I'm still not opposed up there. There's just these candles are large. A lot of risk on them. Yep. All right, guys, let's see. We got down to 336. I wanted to see us move down to like 320 area and reclaim. Yeah, I want to see us down right here. As a reminder, guys, we are about an hour in. Trade smart, trade safe, stay focused, and remind yourself to breathe and choose discipline. Oh, that sucks, Grizzly. So close. All right, I'll turn on some Enter Sandman. That should give us a trade. Turn some Metallic on. That might give us something. All right, this is the area I was watching for shorts originally. I don't like that we made high or low here. High volume reversal. We have VWAP all the way up here at like 588. Maybe if we like touch tips up here with like 456. I hate shorting that high volume reversal. I'd want to take shorts so bad. But we're both at 50%. High volume reversal down here, it just makes it less likely. If we're going to retest this 2-bar, I like doing it on that first or second candle, not slowly making our way back up because it lowers your probability of winning. That's why I haven't tried it yet. Yep. Has Jdun helped you make money? Hey, if you're on the tick to the talk, have I helped you make money? Have I helped you make and secure money? No doubt. A minute for life. Let's go. Yes, I appreciate y'all. More than you know. Yes, thousands. We're in discount for the upside. I have no clue what that means. But whatever that means, sweet. Appreciate y'all being here, everyone. Let's stay patient. We might be getting a setup soon. I'm pretty bummed we didn't get this higher low right here. Nothing here, guys. Just waiting. Hello, Jdun. I am an ICT trader. I focus on daily bias and I focus on discounted equilibrium. And we look at the 1 hour. We start with the daily chart. And we find a fair value gap. And then we go to the hourly chart and we combine it with the 4-hour chart. And after that, we go to the 15-minute chart and find this. And after that, we go to the 5-minute chart. I'm like, how do y'all find trades? By the time you look at 10 different time frames, it's 30 minutes later. Like, just choose DOD and watch price action, bro. I mean, I think that quote unquote ICT can work for people. It's just a lot of times it's too complicated. A lot of it's just like renamed and regurgitated price action. All right, guys, our 50% of the day. Go ahead. I'm going to watch for shorts up here, guys. If we can get a reversal candle up here on 585. This is our 50% retracement of the day. A lot of times in true trend days, when you're going to retrace intraday, it's at the 50% retracement. So watch this. 640, 580. Love you, Trader Stan. Let's go. Let's go. I appreciate y'all being here. Whoops. Appreciate everyone being here. Let's go. We have high volume on this too. So another high volume reversal. That's why I'm saying if we get the reversal, I'd love to see in a perfect world. Here's what we'd get here, chat. Here's what you want to see in a perfect trading world is we see a move up here, a failure to go higher, and a high volume reversal candle here. That way we can short with stops above this candle high. That would be perfect scenario. If we could get that, there's a good chance. Make some bread. Let's watch him get cooked, guys. Let's go. You wish. You wish, buddy. You're waiting for me to get cooked consistently. You're going to be waiting for your food to cook for a long time. I hope you like sitting and waiting. Hope you got patience. Because Paydown's not letting that happen, baby. I don't tell you to judge me on my winners, but judge me on my losers because I have so few. Your call was right, Nona. Oh. What? Said turn on the lava lamp. We might be going back into 680s. We'll see. Say, hey. Full-time hater. That means our algorithm's doing good. It means we're growing. It means we're growing. That's a good thing. That is a good thing. That is a good thing. Okay, let's see if we can get a high volume reversal here, guys. We want to see high volume reversal here. If we can get that, I'm trying shorts with stops above the candle high. If we can get it. It's looking good so far. Jdun has helped me out, helped me put more food on the table. I will back him against anyone. Yeah, the haters are coming out early. That's a good thing. Oh, don't worry. They're waiting. If I lose my next trade, they come out. It's like they freaking come out of hibernation. And then when I win the next 10, they just stay silent. They just go mute, which is fine. I like helping them too. We pray for our haters. Isn't that right, Nana? Like Jesus prayed for his enemies. Amen. We pray for our haters. They need it. No grown man who's happy comes on live streams at 8 in the morning on a Monday and hates because they're happy. You know, so we got to pray for them, bro. Heavenly Father, maybe wish them peace, health, and happiness, and a better life. Amen. This is why I wait for the high volume reversal, guys. That's why I don't just buy on the touch or shorten the touch. Wish them peas. You hear the waterfall? As a reminder, if you're on the TikTok, I appreciate y'all being here and hitting that follow button. I trade live every single day. I help you guys learn, level up, and win. I'm also live on the U to the Tube, Jdun Trades. If you want my full screen share in both charts, Jdun Trades on U to the Tube. Full screen share. I appreciate you guys going to hit the subscribe button and joining us. They're both delayed. Both TikTok and U to the Tube are delayed. This could be continuation of the upside, guys. We got this close above. I'm gonna watch for this 580 something long, 580 area long. Yeah, probably VWAP 580. We just have to have stops at like 525. So a little more risk, but we closed above that 50%. Closed above VWAP, higher volume. I will be trading lighter because it's a short week. We have 4th of July on Saturday, which means we observed that on Friday. Half day, I won't be trading Friday, just so you guys know. I will be making... What? Nope, I'm going back to Nebraska. I started trading 4 years before I ever got in social media. I never planned to be a mentor or a guru or whatever you want to call me. No. Is there hiking trails in Nebraska? Nothing. We brag about our world-class zoo and the creation of Kool-Aid. That's about it, bro. Come on. I want to see 580 area for longs. I'd like to see us come sweep down and touch. All right. A little lower. Watching. 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 I'm gonna try a small piece of longs, everybody, at 570 area. Trying a small piece of longs. It's a little high risk. We have 15-minute high or 15-minute low here. We have VWAP. I tried the longs. Come on. Pretty fast pop from 570 to 580. We're at 610. It's about 30 points right here so far. I'm sorry it moved fast. 30 points here so far with 35 points of risk. Let's see if we can continue up. Come on. 40 points here. 40 points here, everybody. You see that, Nana? I'm taking half off up here. I'm taking half off up here. It's Monday. Took half off right there, everybody. We got an initial pop. I'd like to see us hold this and move above 650. So I don't like how we're selling this off quickly. I'm going to go ahead and put my stops. I'm going to move them up to like 556. Come on. I'd like to see us continue to push up here. Get this higher low in and push above 650. I'm sorry, guys. That moved fast. I like when it kind of chills for a second, but that's where the no lag helps with premium. That's where the no lag helps. We're up 20 points right now. You can put your stops at break even if you'd like. I have my stops at 560 right now, so just below break even. I'd like to see us continue to push up. I tried the longs live on stream, everybody. Live on stream could not have been more clear. You can put your stops at break even or just below if you'd like. I'd like to see us move up, but we're not getting the continuation I'd like. I got half off up at 607 and my stops are at 560. So if I do get stopped, it'll be a slightly green, basically break even trade. My stops are below this 5-minute low. I don't Love this candle failing to go higher here. Slightly green trade for me. I'm not going to let this go red, guys, if we stop out here. I'm not letting this go red if we stop out. I have my hard stops in. I'd like to see us continue above 650 now. But 20 points here if you don't like it. I don't like that we're stalling here at VWAP. Said I'd love to see buyers step in and we just push higher now. We got about 1-to-1 on that first push up. Worst case scenario was here. I don't like how we're stalling here, guys. It's still up about 20 points right here. Do not let this go red. Don't let this go red. Oh, what was that? Oh, let's see if we can get this push up, guys. Come on. Come on, guys. 40 points here. 40 points. Let's see if we can push higher. Don't let this go red, anyone. Come on. Push us higher. I want to see this 650. I'm officially putting my stops at 566. So just below break even. This is a green trade guaranteed, everybody. I took off half on the initial pop up. I'd like to see us move up to 650 now. I'd love to see us explode. Explode to 650. Come on. If you take your full position off here, 30 points, 40 points, I don't blame you. It's Monday, no news Monday. We'll take our base hits. We'll take our base hits. We'll take our base hits. Come on. Hard stops are in. Just below break even. I'd love to see us push up. Come on, push us up. But if you want 1-to-1 up here, this is the spot, guys. It's a base hit spot. Base hit spot. Move on to the next good trade if you don't like it. It's a green trade regardless for me. I tell you guys how I manage. It's your choice how you manage. You can manage however you see fit. I'd like to see us push up to 650. Regardless of whether it does or not, I'm happy you guys got to see this VWAP retest 15-minute low retest area. That's why I liked that. And typically speaking, what you'll see here, if we get what we need to, is a higher low here and then continuation to the upside. So 35 points here. I don't want to hear anyone complaining if it goes red. It shouldn't go red, but if it goes back. One winner on the day. One winner on the day so far, 30-plus points. We went up to like 50 points. I'd love to see us continue here. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Push us up. 40-plus points here, everybody. And not an enormous trade, but a good base hit winner. Come on. I'm telling you right now, Nestakita. Push up. Push up with all you got in you. Come on. Come on. No. Wrong way. Wrong way. Wrong way. Wrong way. I put the bull mask on. Trade's over for me, guys. Trade's over for me. Trade's over for me. Trade's over for me. Trade's over for me. We could continue up. I put the damn bull mask on it. This goes the opposite way. We still went from like 570, 580, depending on your fill, all the way up to nearly 630. So 40, 50 points. The math didn't work. That's all right, guys. 1 for 1. We took off some at 1-to-1 and put the rest at break even. I still think we can move up. I still think there's a chance we find our higher low here and move. All right, chat. How are you negative 150 with 570 entry and we haven't even gone below that hardly? How? I don't know. I don't understand how. We went up 50 points. I don't want to hear it. $63. All right, if you guys made money on that, for the people who took it how I did and added at 570 to 580 and took their 30, 40, 50 points to put their stops at break even, I want to know how much y'all made. Please show the haters that if you managed it correctly, there was money to be made. If you guys made money on that trade, talk to me. If you guys made money on that trade, how much you make? 535, 180, 330, 950, 30, 40, 50 point winner, 639, 191, 122, 150, 65, base hit, 530, 232. Let's go. Base hits, baby. That's what I'm talking about. We go up 40, 50 points, stops at break even. Come on now. Let's go. Thousands making thousands, baby. Come on. What you guys got to understand is not every trade is a 100 to 200 point winner. You take the stab, you manage your risk. Even if you didn't take any off on the upside, you at least at a minimum, you put your stops at break even and you end at break even. What's wrong with that? What's wrong with that? I don't see anything wrong with that. Negative $9. Well, you kept it small. I'm okay with that. Negative $20. That's okay. If you wanted the bigger move, sorry, Grizzly, go ahead. We'll take it. We'll take it. Quick 500 on the day. Made some money on the fundeds too. We'll take it. Managed very nicely. I would take that setup 100 plus times, even if it only gets, 570 up to 625. That's 50 points with less than 50 points of risk. People will complain about $200, $300, $400, $500, $600, yet we'll go work 8 hours for it. Why? I'm like, I don't know. Like, Jdun, I didn't get 100 points out of it. It doesn't count. I'm like, all right. If you can average 30, 40, 50 points a day, even on MNQ with one contract, that's $100 a day. You average $100 a day for 252 days a year. Obviously, there's going to be losses, but you average. Congratulations. You just made an extra $25,000 this year. Yep. Yep. See if we can catch another one. I'll take 30, 40, 50 points. I'll take that on a Monday. We'll see if we can catch another one, though. Again, discipline over dopamine. Base hits add up, everybody. Now we're failing this VWAP. This actually could give us, I don't love that we're coming into these high volume candles up, but you're looking for a bounce? I think that definitely could be a thing. As a reminder, too, if you guys are trading on prop firms, I appreciate you using code Jdun. Real ones use code Jdun. DOD traders use code Jdun for best discount possible. Right now, I love the accounts. The 50K trade evates from Apex are 90% off. You can use code Jdun. I also like the FFF. So you're taking a trade? So you take a trade? Oh, nice. Nice. Watch out if it doesn't go 100 points, watch out, you're a scammer apparently. Actually, it looks like a good continuation candle too. Like a candle that could give re-entry too. Maybe like a 542, 540 area, stops below like 500. Looks nice. Nice job. Nice entry. Look at that. Up a mil off of a 30-point trade of 20K. Yeah. Yeah, this looks like a nice continuation to the upside. Trickster said I take most of your trades at 1-to-1 and I'm up 2,500 in the last week. Telling you. Yup. 2 winners inside Team Bowl Premium. That touchdown there was really fast. Both trades just move freaking quick. Wait. Multiple winners. If you guys would like to enter into today's giveaways, make sure to post your gains in the Post Your Gains tab. And also, you can tag me on X at Jdun Trades. 2 ways to enter. The most giveaways go to Team Bowl Premium, as always. Also, if you want to enter, you can go and tag me on X at Jdun Trades. Twitter, X, whatever you call it. Tag me with your gains. Post a picture. Tag me on there. Let's go. Let's go. This is actually a setup. If we would have tested back into that like 540, I would have tried longs probably with you and moved up. Yeah, honestly, I don't know how you lost on that trade unless you just... Look at that. This is the move I wanted to see earlier, right here. Listen, you can... You can call 50, 60, 100, 200-point trades and people will still find a way to mess it up. That's why you got to say it's DOD. Trading smart, trading safe, and staying focused. This... Yep. I did win the trade. Yep. I mean, I managed it. I managed it step by step. I literally couldn't have been more clear. Literally couldn't have been more transparent with you guys. People still find a way to mess it up. But, you know, that's... can lead a horse to water. I guess you can't make it drink. That's how the phrase goes. This looks like a good continuation candle too. I think we could find a long entry on this too. If you guys are still looking for a trade, I think this could give us something as well. Yep, base hit. That's all it takes. Let's see here. The 615 area entry could be it too. You just have to have stops at like 565. You basically want to target that point of control in high a day. Yeah, good morning. Super solid morning. Super solid morning, everybody. I will watch the 620 area for longs. I think we might end up bouncing a little early at like 640. We have that previous lower high resistance turn support now here, so we might just end up bouncing this like 650, 660 area. We'll see. I think people just have a hard time setting their stops at break even or setting their stops where they plan and actually following through with it. That's what it takes. Now, there's times when you get the massive winner. I'd love to see this confirm and catch more upside. I would have also loved to have seen this candle retest fully here. This would have been the big winner today. If we got this retest into this candle here, this is what I wanted to see if the retest is down and moved up. Yeah, apparently it's 100 points or nothing, I guess. 50 points is simply just not enough. I don't know. My bad, guys. Sorry for giving a clear, transparent entry with 50 points of profit that somehow ended up going a few points back, then ripping up, but I don't know. Anywho, I trade live every day. Help you guys trade smart, trade safe, stay focused. Remember to hit that follow button if you're new. I appreciate you guys rocking with me. I do this every single day for free for you guys. If you're on TikTok, appreciate you being here. Make sure you follow and turn those notifications on. I'm also live on the tube every day. YouTube, Jdun Trades with full screen share. You can watch me. You can watch me chart. You can watch my full screen. We have a great audience there. Appreciate you guys joining me. All right, let's see here. And even if you didn't catch any trades, remember DOD. Remember DOD. If you guys want to get funded, with Apex, right now they're 90% off with code JDON. I like their 50K trade of 8 end of day drawdown with no activation fee. You can trade up to 20 accounts at a time. I also have a copy trading tutorial on my YouTube. Click this link, get yourself an Apex 50K trade of 8 account, end of day drawdown. It's my personal favorite account with them right now. You can also pass in one day as well. Man, I was hoping we get that full pullback there. I was hoping we'd get that full pullback. Let's see what we get here. Telling you, I mean, you take your shots, you manage your risk, and when you get base hits, 30, 40, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 points, great. When you catch enormous winners, that comes too. Like the guy that back tested my trades, 60% or so go to 100 points. This one didn't happen and go to 100. Let's see here. 1 for 1 to start the week. And it's a short week. It's a no news Monday. You know, if you took, let's say 50 points. Let's say 50 points. If you had one micro, that's $100. Like I said earlier, you make $100 a day, average $100 a day. That's an extra $25,000 a year. If you don't want it, will you take an extra $25K a year, Nana?
Yeah.
She'll take it off your hand. So if you don't want your extra $25K a year with base hits, you can just give it to grandma. She'll take it. Gene finally got his live account with Apex 2. Base hits. I've been doing this for 10 years, guys. 10 years. As a reminder, if you guys want to enter the giveaway today, tag me and post your gains. And in addition to that, tag me on X at Jdun Trades. Damn, I've seen Draymond Green declined his player option to free up space. Shams says the opt-out comes days after the Warriors said they'd expect Green to pick up the $27.7 million option. Instead, Green delivers Golden State time and space to pursue Davis with the Wizards and convince James to join Steph Curry, Green, and his old Lakers championship teammate in the Bay. LeBron going to the Bay? Was LeBron going to the Warriors? What do you think? What do you think about that? No, I didn't. I followed my plan. I'll take base hits every day. LeBron of the Warriors? What do we think about that, chat? Old man LeBron and Curry run these guys. Honestly, I think that'd be a great fit. LeBron and Curry, two overrated players. I mean, LeBron, legend. Curry, semi-legend for sure. But two people that people say are the GOATs, but clearly aren't on the same team. It's a match made in heaven. It's a match made in heaven. It'll be great for him. Perfect for him. Just perfect for him. Listen, the example I use every day is like when I talk about Messi and Ronaldo. Like Messi is clearly the GOAT, but if you'd like me a comparison to understand it better, it's similar to Ronaldo's like LeBron, like a legend, great in the history books, but LeBron is not Jordan. Messi is Jordan. That's just what it is. I don't make the rules. It just is what it is. You guys always send me this picture, bro. Like they literally chat just keeps this on standby. They're just like ready. The curry glaze is unreal. Just unreal. See you, Grizzly Glock. Right. Constantly. How y'all got that? The one time I'm forced to wear my rookie season Steph Curry jersey. Always. Constantly have it on. You guys constantly have that on standby. That's so cute. You think Messi is better than Ronaldo? I don't think that. I know that. It's not a think. It's not an opinion. It's a fact. There's a difference. A significant difference. Please be more like me and be less. To be. Was good, everybody. Never had a payout. Let's change that. Let's change that for you. As a reminder, today's a prime example. If you're in Team Bowl Premium, there's zero lag. Both free streams have lag on them due to the softwares. If you'd like to join Premium for about just over $1 a day for your first month, you can join here and get access to the Zoom, get access to my private community and all the value there. If you're serious about your trading, it's a great investment into yourself for literally less than coffee every day. Yep, you can use code Jdun at checkout. First trade with the fountain, a winner. We'll take it. First trade with the fountain, a winner. We like it. I'll also be live for 23 more minutes, and then we're gonna head to the gym, aren't we, Grandma? I will also be live for Power Hour, which is 3 p.m. Eastern Time, and I'll be live for Asia Session, which is tonight. My goal is to help a lot of you guys that can't trade New York, or people that maybe aren't even on here because they can't trade New York, and give you guys more value every day. Paid for the sub in 2 trades. Let's go. Passed my first ever eval today, all thanks to Jdun and DOD in less than a month of sticking to it. Signing up for Team Bowl as we speak. Let's go. Love to have you in there. Did you say you had a copy trade tutorial on YouTube? I do. Yep. It's posted in Team Bowl as well. If you guys, here you go. If you guys haven't seen my copy trading tutorial, this will teach you how to copy trade on Tradeovate. Is this area still valid for buy? Could be. So reminder, we got 20 more minutes. I'm getting some accounts to give away for you guys as we speak. If you'd like to join the giveaway, you can tag me and post your gains. You can also tag me on X. Winning trade to start the week. many did you make? Thanks, Jdun. Up 320 today on 2 live accounts. Nice. Nice job, bro. All the good thing, all the small things. Whoops. Base hit. We move forward. Here's the problem with base hits for a lot of people, guys, is if you take base hits and you continue over trading and then you get those base hits back, they do nothing. It's like getting a base hit and then it's just swinging for home runs the rest of the day. Not worth it. What's a base hit? A small, consistent win with at least 1-to-1 risk reward. And Q longs. Can hear the waterfall ripping now. I love this waterfall. It's a vibe. I thought people were maybe going to complain about hearing it in the background. Got a trial of Grisology, and I must say this indicator is a game changer. Yeah, the indicator is great. You guys see me use it every day. If you guys want to try it yourself or have it on your screen, you can check out Grisology here, and you can use code Jdun for 50% off your first month. I believe there's also a free trial on it. Yep, there's a 7-day free trial as well. And you can use code Jdun, so if you decide to stay, it's 50% off. Code Jdun always gets you the best discounts. Always and forever. Helps me out. I appreciate you guys supporting the stream and always do my best to help you guys. Hey, for all you guys that made that promise to me, did you guys stick to it? Did you guys all stick to your promise that you made to me? You guys promised me you'd focus in on one thing to improve about your trading. You'd focus on one thing you've been struggling with and focus on improving it today. Did you guys keep that promise? Chat? Who kept that promise? Be honest. I, in fact, did stick to it. Nice job, Dugini. Herb did. Lost did. Sonja did. Damien better have. Blake, come on, man. And I can see why you didn't, Blake. Look at your profile picture. The Colorado Buffaloes. I'm kidding, but tomorrow's a new day, man. I need you to stick to your promises tomorrow. That you will never improve if you can't keep your promises to yourself. This actually looks good for continuation here. Just saw your TikTok first time here. Welcome. I appreciate you being here. I appreciate you following too. It means the world, bro. I do my best to help you guys every day. All right, one more way to enter the giveaway as well. Trying to grow our community on X. If you guys want to enter, go like, repost, and comment on this. Found you guys a winning trade today. Do my best to find you guys winners every day. Go like, repost, and comment on that. I'm picking some giveaway winners from there too. Whenever I make money, I give it back to y'all. Give money right back to y'all. Go like, repost, and comment on this X post, y'all. Let's go. You know, let me take you to a Buffaloes game. I don't know about all that, bro. I don't know about all that. We finally hit 166K on YouTube as well. I appreciate all you guys subscribing. If you're not subbed yet, it would mean the absolute world to me, and I would like to please ask you to go subscribe to the YouTube, Jdun Trades. I do my best to help you guys every day. I would like to kindly and gracefully ask you to please go sub. All right, guys, I'm going to use the restroom quick. I'll be right back. Not getting off for like 15 more minutes, guys. Let's go. If you guys got any size of gains, tag me in the post your gains and tag me on Twitter at Jdun Trades. Appreciate y'all being here with me. As a reminder, if you're on TikTok, I appreciate you hitting that follow button. I trade live every single day. Also, you guys are 40K likes away from a giveaway. Come on, hit that tap that like button. Tap that screen over and over. Tap. Get that to 110K likes. You're almost there. With 700 plus people, almost 800, no problem. King Caro, appreciate the follow. Loco, appreciate the follow. She, appreciate the follow. And also, if you're not already, make sure you guys are subbed to my YouTube. I have a ton of value on there for you. Jdun Trades on YouTube. Tons of value there for you. Winning trades. I don't win trades and say, hey, if you want to learn how, buy the course. I say, hey, here's what I did for free every single day. All I ask from you guys is you hit that follow button and you tune in every day. Let me help you with your trading. Let me help you make more money and enjoy your trading more. I think you'll get a lot of value for your daily life here as well. It's a good part of a lot of people's daily routine. Can you get me another trade? People ask. Maybe, but more than likely not. It's going to give us a nice reversal at this previous day high. Any lucid crates? I'll work on that. As a reminder, Lucid's 50% off does end soon. Oh, whoops. 50% off ends soon, everybody. So make sure you guys lock in your 50% off accounts. I made a promise to not to overtrade. I'm DUN. I get it. Done for the day. Thank you, DOD. That's awesome, TJ. Great job, bro. Let's see. Look at that. That would have been a nice reversal candle here too. Would have had more of a key level reject. 723, 753, 720 down to 665, 50 points. I will also be live for Power Hour today and for Asia session, guys. Hey, buddy, what's up, bro? As a reminder, I see a lot of people asking about beginner accounts. The best beginner trading account that I like for fundeds is with FFF right now. It's with the Funded Futures family. It's a 50K premier account. It's only $95 with code Jdun and has no consistency rules on eval or funded, so you never have to worry about that, which is huge. You almost never find that from firms. No activation fees, no minimum buffers, no daily loss limit. It's truly a great account for beginners or even intermediate traders. Yep, with the Funded Futures family, everybody. If you go to fundedfuturesfamily.com, it's the 50K Premier Plus account. I highly recommend you guys check it out. Instant live funding. Here's the problem with instant live funding, bro, is that a lot of them have very low consistency rules. So it doesn't allow you to hold your winners. Grandma says, tell them again what time Asia session is. I will be on for Asia at 8 p.m. Eastern time tonight. So 8 p.m. Eastern time, I will be on tonight. This is a reminder. I'll be on for Power Hour and for Asia tonight as well, both. So if you guys are looking to trade with me, make sure if you're on TikTok, you hit that follow button so my stream comes up again. You can also turn your notifications on. You can tell by the AI profile. If you're on YouTube, the best thing you can do so you don't miss any lives or miss any trades is hit that subscribe button and then press the bell icon. If you press bell and then press all, it will notify you whenever I go live so you don't miss any live streams. Notifications are a must. Day said locked out today and likely for the week. Requested my first ever payout. Let's go. It's been such a long journey. Everyone's path looks different. Mine has been 3 years to get to this point. This is more about mindset with a small $500 payout. That's not small. That's great, bro. But the psychology alone is enough for me to prove it. Thanks to all you guys. Let's give him some fires. Let's show some love to our fellow Team Bull member, Day. Let's go. That's a huge moment for you, bro. It's got to feel good. First payout ever. That's awesome, bro. Base hits every day. That's all it takes. You know what we're dealing with on these lives every day? I was going over, I seen some stats about gambling in the US yesterday. Americans gambled twice as much in 2025 last year than Amazon made as an entire company. We also spent more as Americans than sports tickets, concerts, music, and there was one other category, all combined. So when I come on and tell you guys every day to trade smart and trade safe and choose DOD and not gamble, I'm going up against the odds. I'm going up against what society is doing right now. We're taking it on head first. I always tell people with my reach and how many views I get, which is thanks to all you guys. God bless you guys. You know how much money I've turned down in gambling deals from these online sites? I got one recently. I think I was telling you guys about that I turned down. I've turned them down forever. Lots of money, life-changing money every month to stick with DOD and to focus on good habits to the youth that follow me. Yep, I've turned down 7 figures. Just alone, I was telling you guys like a few weeks ago, I got offered like $40K a month to post about one like once a week. $10K a week just to post about online gambling. I said nope. I could honestly with the reach of my socials, I could probably ask for 6 figures a month, but I would never do it. Unless there was some significant edge you guys could create and it wouldn't promote degeneracy and bad habits. Nope. Because it goes against everything I talk about on my live streams. I want you guys to trade smart and trade safe. I don't want you guys gambling. That's how traders lose. But you said yes to the feet thing. What feet thing? Yeah, I mean, people talk about drugs and alcohol and stuff. Nobody talks about gambling and what it does to people. All I'm saying is this year I am red on my sports betting account, or not red, excuse me, green on my sports betting account. It's like 5,000. It's not much, but I only do it with money I can afford to lose, and it's for fun. Gambling does some really bad things to people, especially that don't have that money to lose. Nuckbuck said, "You're the reason I started trading at Jdun. I had interest back in the day. One day I randomly came across YouTube. Now I'm bagging monster trades months later. How lucky I saw you and not some scammer." Appreciate you, bro. I always tell people, I'm like, thank God you found our stream first, because I'm not gonna put some get rich quick BS on you. Not gonna tell you to, hey, you want to get rich and quit your job, buy the course. Like, none of that. I'm in Jen's live right now too. She shouted you out. Let's go. Jen's dope. She was trading live in Team Bull for a little bit too. I was happy for her and the opportunity she got. She's a great trader and a great person. She's one of the few that has always been real and is profitable and wants to do her own thing on good terms. I got a lot of respect for Jen. I can't say the same about some other people, but Jen's one of the Team Bull real ones that came in and went and did her own thing. I know she got an opportunity to. She's still in Team Bull. She'll always be a member, but she got an opportunity to trade somewhere else, and it was just the best thing for her, and so we agreed that was best for her. Who knows, Brian? Who cares? Far away from here. She's a goat. Gene makes the best tacos. That's right. Don't. I appreciate you guys making this a part of your daily routine. I approve of Jen. We're both the where do we submit our applications? You down with DOD? Yeah, you know me. Yes, sir. I'm not going to the gym. Have a great day. One win in the day. The Moose story, bro. The Moose literally charged us. The Moose freaking charged us. You guys see that video on my IG? Like, it literally charged us on the trail, or it was an elk. Like, I thought it was a moose at first. It was actually literally insane. The elk, the freaking big brown beast. The BBE, the big brown elk. I said, oh, heck nah. Walking and minding my own business on the damn trail, and freaking, I see this puppy. He's like, what? Yep. Bro starts stomping his feet. You can see in the video, stomps and just starts sprinting at me. So I'm like, oh, hell nah. Oh, it was crazy. It was actually insane. Actually bananas. You can literally see it. It's like, you're in my territory, bro. Come on. And then I try looking again. Nope. Stomps the back feet. All right. Charging like a freaking bull. Said, oh no. No, 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 no. I will not be elk food today. Not today, bro. And then afterwards, I'm like yelling at the boys. I'm like, it's over there, right, guys. Jog, run. I'm like, let's go, boys. Run. We're all hiding behind rocks and stuff. Sprinting down the mountain. Said, oh no, I will not be stomped by an elk today. Jog now. No, like literally though. I'm wearing the new Hokas. No. You know what's funny is, as I was on that hike and someone was like, damn, I guess the Hokas are battle luck. I was wearing those new Hokas and we get freaking chased by a moose. Or an elk. A freaking BBE, a big brown elk. I'm like, damn, maybe that was battle luck. That was Sky Pond in Estes Park. Elk like the Hokas. I got another pair too. Yeah, they're I got trail runners for Hokas. I got 2 pairs of trail runners actually. I got some gray ones too. I just can't remember what they are. I'll go find them real quick. 1 second. No, we'll do the giveaway. Do you know about the Vibras? I think they're called Vibras. Ultras. They're they're my trail running shoes. I love these too. They're so comfy. Yeah, they're great shoes. My Ultras. I got these babies too. They got the spikes, or not spikes, but like the grip on the bottom. Great shoes, but these don't go on the counter. These don't go on the table. Bro, I love REI. If you're from a mountain type state or from Colorado, REI is like kind of like how Target is to females. REI is to like dudes that like to be outside. That's how I always like to say it. REI is like my guilty pleasure. I go in there looking for one thing and I spend like $500 minimum. Like how? What's up, Basic Trades? The GOAT. I still got to post our podcast. You're in Lakewood, yep. REI has nothing on Shields. Honestly, bro, I hate to say it. I think it does though, man. And I love Shields. It's just a different type of vibe. Like Shields is the same thing though. You walk into Shields and you plan to buy one thing, you're gonna spend like $500 to $1,000 too. Same type of deal, bro. It's the same concept. Great place to be, and also a horrible place to be if you don't want to spend money. Yep, Shields is great. One of my favorite places. Bass Pro Shop's great. REI is my favorite store probably on earth. You can also return return your your gear to REI for up to a year. Brandon's freaking cheap self keeps his damn has his damn tag on his backpack. Oh, I might return it in a few months. I'm like, what's wrong with you, bro? So cheap. Cheapest mother freaker I know. Apex end of day trail or intraday? End of day, 100%. End of day. Please, for all that is good. End of day. If you guys want an Apex account, they're still 90% off. You can use code Jdun. I like the 50k trade of end of days with no activation fee. REI's buns. How dare you? You're buns. I want to go to a rodeo soon. I love rodeos. Bro, I'm 38. I was just talking about how I spent my 33rd birthday in Nashville earlier. Greeley Stampede is on now. I seen that. That's what made me say it. I seen a video of it. Hey, let's go. 5:41 in the day. Thank you, Jdun. Nice. Dude, you're 25. Stop lying. That's very flattering. I think I'll probably say that tomorrow. I wouldn't mind being 25 again. So one base hit today, 50 points. Didn't get some of the pullbacks I wanted to see. It's also No News Monday, and it's a short week. Short weeks are traditionally not my favorite. He's 30, I'm pretty sure. Are you sure about that? Dude, he is 90 based on how much time he goes to pee. I mean, not no. I'd be... Yeah, you made my grandma laugh. You even got Granny laughing at me. I'd be drinking a lot of water. Stay hydrated. I gotta pee. What's wrong with that? It's all honestly after I drink coffee too. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and pick some winners from the Post Your Gains tab inside Team Bowl. Buying lunch for a few of y'all, or you could go put it towards an account, whatever you choose. First winner is going to be new member Gwynzera. Let's go DOD. $1,200 on the day. Congrats on the win, and congrats on joining Team Bull. On the win, send your Venmo $25 winner. Let's go. When I make money, I give back to y'all every single day. T-Funk said at Jdun at Grizzly just passed an eval thanks to DOD. Took the small win on the Jdun and almost 200 points with the Grizzly Glock. Helped me pass my eval today and get funded. DOD has changed my trading and I'm finally making progress. Thank you. Thank you for being here. You just won yourself lunch. Cash from me to you. Let's pick one more from Team Bowl. I appreciate y'all being here. Tripp said joined premium 2 weeks ago and has been the best decision. DOD on top. He made 144 on 5 different funded accounts. Let's go. Well, you just got back your first month, basically a membership at $1 a day. And right now you can join for just over $1 a day for your first month. That is a deal for premium. You can basically get a free freaking trial. You can use code Jdun. All right, congrats to the winners that were picked from the Post Your Gains tab. Let's go. All right. Now for the YouTube. Let's see where y'all are at. All right. For the Tradeify Select with code Jdun, if you'd like to win that, you can type your Venmo in chat. I'm sending you money. Honor system. Karma goes a long ways. I expect you to go buy an account using code Jdun, the Tradeify Select 50K. Type your Venmo in chat. Giving you guys a second. Right now, type it in chat. I'm choosing one of you guys to win a cash prize to go buy yourself a Tradeify 50K Select account. They have daily payouts. One of my favorite accounts out of all the funded accounts and funded partners we have. All right. All right. Let's go. Tell me when to stop, Nana. Your fate is in Grandma's hands. Here. All right. She said here. Tomas G. 2315. Tomas G. 2315. Tomas G 2315. Congratulations, Tomas G 2315. 2315. Except for Tomas G 2315, you typed your name in wrong. That's not an account. That's not an account, bro. You got 1 minute to fix it. Otherwise, your giveaway goes to someone else. The timer's on. Tick, 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 tick. Tick, 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 tick. Up 500 with Team Bull. Let's go. So it's next to mine. Had a decent one with you earlier. See you, Tom. All right, Tomas, I'm sorry, bro. We're going to have to pick someone else for a giveaway. The minute's passed. Your Venmo's not valid. All right. Pick again. Nana, tell me when to stop. Tell me when to stop. What? No, tell me when to stop. No, on my screen. Tell me when to stop. J_Harsh. J Harsh. Sounds like my name. Jdun. J_Harsh. Jody Harshman. Congrats to Jody. $100 winner. Tradeify Select 50K. Let's go. Congratulations. $100 going to Jody. Let's go. Let's go. Congratulations to Jody. As a reminder, I appreciate y'all using code Jdun if you get value from the stream. I do my best to help you guys every day, help you trade smart, trade safe, and stay focused. It supports the stream. It supports me, and I will always be thankful for you guys, forever and always. All right, now one more giveaway for a Lucid account. A Lucid Pro 50K is $92 with code Jdun. So again, type your Venmo. This is the last giveaway. And we're going to buy a few people on X lunch as well. Thank you guys for being here on YouTube. Type your Venmo in chat. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. Dan 95 Neva. Dan 95 Neva. Dan 95 Neva. Daniel Navarez 90. Lucid 50K Pro. Let's go. I just sent you money for your Lucid 50K Pro. $92 to Daniel Navarez. Sent and paid. The final 2 lunches are going to be going out to X. The final lunches are going to be going out to X, guys. So if you want to enter, you can go tag me on your gains, tag me with your gains on Twitter, or if you like to enter, you can go. I sound like an eel. Or you can go and like, repost, and comment on my latest post. The post or the gains post. Like, repost, and reply. I'll be picking a winner there as well. Yes, sir. You guys didn't hit the like goal on TikTok. If you guys hit the like goal, 110K, we do it, but it's too late now. I'm going to end the live stream. I appreciate y'all being here. Make sure y'all hit that follow button so you join me every single morning. I'll be live again for Power Hour as well. So that's 3 p.m. Eastern time. So I'll see you guys in a few hours, all right? God bless you guys. Trade smart, trade safe. One win today. I'll see you guys later. God bless you guys. Make sure you hit that follow button and go subscribe to the YouTube, Jdun Trades, right now. Before you do anything else, go subscribe to YouTube, Jdun Trades. I trade live there too. God bless y'all. Peace. I'm still in the live. That was fun, huh? God bless y'all. Peace.